Ka Lympung Super League ke bala penyai daga Bhoi District Sports Association RBDSA kelas dangno Madan Umsning Patarim hakabau Project Director ke Drda Raja Brahma ulashim ke benta ku mukong san. Hakate ke Lympung kila don nyo teligi kenhun ke belarung syaka Super League bar haka singi sedang menta ke singi ke arun rew tarik urisau hajar Plie kajingi khut kalalong hapdeng ke kenjoin umran persya ekanong thamai kerdem. Habakran hakajingi lang Plie ya kate Lympung o Project Director ula IMC mi ka RBDSA namar ki kam jongka bat kum juru sekinong ilekai hakabaw loong balengba kum kini ki Lympung daki hajar ngut kirang ilekai ki yo bani kendu bat itu iwe pan bat ki kam lekai ki longru kalat yo kam lah ki kam sipai ne pulen ki kam sorkar bat wat hadu ki kam ilekai ru habapai sakajingi khun hapdeng kite ki ar kunhun hadu bakun kila poi sakajingi khai da mar si gol kiwei giblai sa khilang ki kenthum UBDO ka CNRD block Umsning uba lingdo u district sports officer uba Bobby Nongben u president ka RBDSA uba RB Shadam bat kiwei kinong yelam ka RBDSA kirang ba snong bat kiwei
Publishmonia organizer kumba RBD SA belong organizing program. Jadi belong new pusanteli team lawan. Bhoi ke team be datang kena ketsangot nong lekai ke youth jongi ke long borok long kumba kadoi spatam. Te kadoi spatam mau na Bhoi samla jongi one away ke Madan lekai football ke kun. Mau ya football. This is the place where our youth meet and hanging along Yilaman interfere mau intervene naga district administration the rural development, the block office, the sports, activity. Ipek yang menkapor ni le development ni tang mun sna surak na building na IOM sna pe khana ke yang bedok. Ada development ke youth development do one go a factor. Health indicator, health is well. The Hapa society jongi we don't have a healthy society. This all the infrastructure development is useless. Then the way the activities of the youth they physical activities. The physical activity jong yang rural area menang kondong dia like football. Ini like football mesti mentempas you have to be serious. Menang football why if you employment. The EM along many different national league, international league. Tak kena samla jong ibon boyo. Mo like league with what? In terms of exchange of what? Cash, money. So it brings you earn income. Tenaga dong idan ka menlet bari league. Madan kum ni league bah. Mo pi lai ke talent jom pi dan ba clock one mo ye pin jet pin kyo kan this is just a grassroots level mo bolong ka pini guwe ka jinking mo pin kyo step by step kuno pin point to the level they way warong tumde tong football mo the youth should keep their physical activeness playing on ne with this physical activity you got lot two challenges to face in your life cannot feel like pan kam ta apa recruitment ng police they want physical activity. If you like football mon kapor and you're disciplined, apa football jompi career jompi, you are well disciplined diet, mo physical activity. Feel mon kasni feel like morning walk, feel like jogging, mo feel mere. This is thing will long criteria, recruitment criteria for police, not only police, paramilitary forces, army. No, these are the things the football can give you. Not only like professionally pin like but you have you can see all around what are the benefit of playing sports. With the sports spirit, like football, and I'm very happy that I've been called as a chief guest today. Then I thank all the members present out here. I thanks all the team taking participation in this event, Super League. And most important is that I thanks to organizer for organizing such a beautiful Super League. I wish all the best for this game to be successful. Now I declare the game is open. All the best to you. Thank you very much.